Hello. In this Java 21 video, I will be covering how to write your first program and run it through the terminal. Let us begin by creating a new file called main.java. So we're going to do that. We're going to select our this folder that I've named Java, click up here, New File, and do main.java. As you can see, you'll see the J there, and it created our class. Because remember, Java is a object-oriented programming language. So again, this is the most basic Java program we're going to do. Let's go through it line by line. So what it already created for us is it's defining our class named main. So here we are defining the class called main. And then inside, we are going to make a main method. And this is going to be the control center, if you will, of the class, and when we have multiple classes that reference each other, the whole thing. So let's do that by defining public static void main, and then inside main we're going to pass in a string array called args. Again, don't worry about what the keywords mean, but again, all you need to know right now is that this is the entry point of the application. Inside here, we're going to print out some basic text. Traditionally, this is hello world, so we're going to do that via system.out.println. And then inside, we're going to pass in a string, hard-coded to be hello world. And then we have to end off our every thing with a semicolon. So here we are printing out a statement, more of a test statement, if you will. Okay, so if there's a white dot, make sure you do Control S to save your program before you do anything else. But once the file is saved, open your terminal in the same directory as our file here. And that's quite simple to do. You could do the command line, but we can use the terminal function in Visual Studio Code. As you can see here, it automatically opens up to the same directory that our file's in. So the first thing we need to do here is we need to compile our file to make it executable. So we're going to do that via Java C space and then whatever the file is named with the extension. So here, main.java. And then we're going to enter. It'll take a second. And as you can see up here, it makes a class. And now, again, the class file contains the compiled bytecode. To run the program, again, we're going to do this right in the terminal here. All we need to do is type Java space main. Not with the .class, just the file name. We click enter. As you can see here, it says hello world. This confirms your program was compiled and executed successfully. If you see an error like Java command not found or something similar, you may need to double check to see if you have the Java development kit or set up your system path correctly. Here, it's real simple to do that. All you need to do is do Control-Shift-P and then search Java Help Center. I already have it popped up here. And then you can click Configure Java Runtime. As you can see, we have a JDK installed. In this case, I'm obviously using 21. So that's how you do that. If not, you would have to download it from the Java website, which is real easy to do. If you found this tutorial helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and leave a comment. Reach out if you have any questions. Otherwise, thank you for watching and have a great day.